Who says you need a big budget to spread Christmas cheer? Transform your home into a winter wonderland with everyday items already in your home. Lisa, a mother of two from Denver, sits at her kitchen table surrounded by her kids. Determined to make Christmas magical on a budget, she glances at the mason jars stacked in her cupboard and suddenly smiles. "These can make adorable snow globes," she exclaims. Together, Lisa and her kids glue tiny toy figurines onto jar lids, add water and glitter to the jars, and seal them. As they shake the jars, they watch in awe as the glitter swirls like a magical snowfall. Lisa notices a stack of old magazines and gets another idea. "We can make a festive garland." The family cuts out star shapes from the colorful pages, punches holes in them, and strings them onto twine. Later, Lisa finds a box of mismatched socks. With some rice, rubber bands, and markers, she guides her children to create sock snowmen. Each snowman has a unique face and scarf, earning a special spot on the mantle. By the end of the day, the house is filled with charming homemade decorations. Snow globes sparkle on the shelves, the garland drapes across the walls, and the sock snowmen sit cheerfully on the mantle. Lisa smiles as her youngest whispers, "This is the best Christmas ever."